everyone, I'm Jessica, and I have been in the industry for about 2 to 3 years, and I love in-person events. However, moving to virtual has been very exciting for me because I've been able to advance my skill set, and one way I've been able to do that is with graphic design. So I've been able to help exhibitors build their virtual booths and bring their live booth online to a platform, which has been really cool to see how people can elevate their brand presence that way. We've also been able to give them some good tips and tricks on how to market that to the other attendees and keep in touch with them after the event's over. So that is what's been exciting for me, and right now I'm going to throw it over to Nora.